Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to eat my favorite fried rice. And you can see this one is soup, chicken soup, it's totally white. So this one is the fried rice. So today I'm going to teach you how to eat the fried rice. And I have some this one is chili paste. Okay, I'm going to mix it. Before I start my video, please like, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you never get any, never miss any video from my side. So let's start, guys. So first of all, I'm going to put this chili sauce over here because as the Indian, we Asian, we love to eat too much spicy things. So I just put all the uh, chili over inside here. So I'm just mixing it down. Wow, it's wow. So again, so nice, so yummy. I'm so hungry now. Okay, so I'm going to take my first bite. Okay, let's see how it tastes like. See, before you eat, just do like this in my style. Okay. Mm, wow, it's so yummy. But it's so yummy. Oh, I love it. Wow. You know, the taste is awesome. So this one is chicken soup. I'm going to try it. Wow, so yummy. Wow, let's try it. Over here, fine. Chicken piece, fresh onion. Um, the rice is obviously rice is there, so lots of spices are there, and I put extra chili sauce over here. Wow, really nice. Mmm, awesome. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Before uh, finish my video, please once again like, subscribe, comment, and please press the bell icon also. And thank you very much. Next time I will bring you some another video, some exciting video. I try to make it every day. I try to upload new videos for you guys. So sayonara, bye.